Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. Today I come to you with this little gaffer here, my one-eye monkey here. I got him a few days ago from a antique store in my city here, and he was sitting there with one eye in his head. The lady said to me, "Do you think you can fix him?" I said, "Yeah, I've got a big bag of eyes at home that I bought from the Salvation Army some time ago, and never knew if I was ever going to use them or not. And here's a day that I was going to be able to use them." So anyhow, there's two types of eyes that go into some of these monkeys. Some are screw-on, and some are just pushed in. So I've examined his eye, and it's a push-in eye. So it doesn't matter. You can replace it with a screw-in eye. It will work all the same. Or you can just buy a push-in eye. I have both in here. I have both screw-in and I have push-in. Because I do have a push-in eye, I do not have anything that matches that. So I will be keeping that eye in my bag just in case I find another maybe monkey or another stuffed creature, an animal that will need an eye, and that eye just might match. Who knows? So you never throw it away, because you never know when you might be able to use it again, and to match up another one who's sitting there with one eye. So anyhow, I'm going to show you how you do this. So we're going to pull out his eye, and this is my big bag of eyes. I'll show you them in a little bit here. I think I showed this bag once before, but I don't mind showing it again. So just to get you up close on this guy here, I'll get my glasses on so you can see. It's very easy to do, so that if you ever come across this problem, you'll have the ability to do this yourself too. Now there is a place where you can order these, and it's where I get all my irises from. And so I think it's called Eyes Online. Eyes Online. So you just pull this guy out. Now that was easy because I already pulled it out already. It wasn't at first. But you want to be able to have your eye fit inside the socket down in here. So I found these nice little yellow eyes for him. So I'm going to put that into him right now. So we're going to push that into his socket. There we go. And we're going to push that in. And now we're going to give him all his eyesight back now. Here we go. We're going to give him his eyesight back. Now we've got to be able to get that in. There we go. There. And now there he is. Doesn't he look quaint? He looks a lot better now. He looks like he's ready to go and do some monkey business there and join my clan of monkeys that I have. So I thought I'd show that to you. He's going to need some cleaning and some little bit of painting. You see he's painting. He's lost a little bit of eyebrow up here, so we'll give that back to him again and maybe touch up that little bare spot on his nose there. So he can eat his banana now and happily watch everybody out there. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this. Just a little tidbit of some information. Always keep your eyes peeled in the thrift stores for things that you may not think you're going to use, but you never know, you just might. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.